Hello everybody, how are you people doing? So today after long time I have decided that I'll put some very healthy recipes. So I'm going to make today um, roasted pumpkin soup. So this is a pumpkin, red pumpkin piece. So I'll be keeping it on the net, so roasted, so that we get that flavor of the roasting. Okay. So both the sides. Okay. Just slightly roast it. Let us see, once it gets roasted, it might take around 5 minutes. So if you can appreciate, there is some amount of roasting that has happened here. Okay, so this much roasting is actually enough to get the flavor of the roasted pumpkin. So now I'll chop it and keep it for a boil. I'll show you. So I have taken around 2 cups of water in a saucepan, and I'll be boiling this till the pumpkin gets nice and soft. So just cover it. Might take around 7 to 10 minutes. So on a medium heat, you just boil this. Okay, so you can see that the pumpkin has been boiled very soft. And now what I will do, there are two options, and if you can see, I have also kept the skin of the pumpkin, which I like, and it is very nutritious. So there are two ways to go about this. Now what we can do is remove these pieces, blend them in a mixture and make a puree out of it, or with a potato smasher you can also smash this. Okay, so I am planning today to put it in a mixie and make a puree out of it. So once I do that, I'll show you. So I have pureed the pumpkin, nice and smooth. Now what I'll do is, the same water that we boiled the pumpkin, I will be adding this puree to the water. So we had actually measured the water as 2 cups, right? So usually it is sufficient for 2 people, and so once we add all the puree to this water, we will have to mix everything together nicely. It's looking so yummy already. So I have added all the puree almost, and then I'll switch on the gas and slowly and steadily I will try to mix this into the water. Once we get the smooth consistency, and once we get one boil of this mixture, then we will start adding the spices. It's a very delicate kind of a soup, but very healthy. So once this comes to a boil, I'll show you what to add additionally. So our soup is nicely boiling now. What we need to do now is put around half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of butter, it's a salted butter, and around half a teaspoon of salt. This is pink Himalayan salt that I'm putting, and just mix it. Now boil this for around 2 minutes and then switch off the flame and serve the soup. Now you can go wild with the spices that you want to add. So you can add some cumin powder in this. You can add cinnamon also in this, and because we have kept the skin of the pumpkin, the soup is looking little greenish in color. That's because of the skin of the pumpkin. But imagine the taste. I mean, the room in which I'm cooking here right now, it's so aromatic, and we know that we are going to have a very very healthy meal right now. And well, let's serve this now. So as you can see, I have served the roasted pumpkin soup along with a lemon veg, and I will be putting a little bit of butter in it. So enjoy and relish this nutritious, very very healthy weight loss soup. I hope you liked my recipe, and I would like you to comment below as to how did you like the recipe, and did you really make it yourself, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.